Welcome back, guys. This is Dwayne Coin here. Just wanted to do a quick video on some price action of Ethereum, or ETH as it is known. Let's see. As you can see, we're having some pretty juicy movements with this price action of Ethereum. It was pretty far off of its highs of $1,400. It actually, by looking at this chart here, it looks like it reached below a value of $600 recently. Let's see if we can get a date on that. That would be February the 6th. So with this being said, I just want to just make a quick analysis. Nothing fancy, man. We're not even going to use any big terms. We're not going to use stochastics or no divergences or anything like that. We're just going to go based off of pure price action. If you look up here at this little top peak, where we topped out in the high 1300s, if you were to just draw a line between that, this other little peak right here, and this one right here, you'd want to see this price on the end break out above that. We're not going to go through all that. If you guys would like for me to make any videos on a specific coin or anything like that, just let me know. We're not going into my back office or anything. Just watch me trade any coins. I'm just beginning to grow this YouTube channel, and I'm basically it's not worth the risk for me to show you guys like my trading platforms or like where I keep my coins. It's just not beneficial to me at this point. But if we can get some interaction, if I had more subscribers, I'd be more willing to do that. So with that being said, Ethereum is going to at least reach its height of 14,000. I feel as if the release of pressure that we just recently had would allow it to actually go up a little bit higher than it was. That's why in my description I said 1,500. From 900 to 1,500. I guess I could have said from 600 to 1,500 or something like that, and it probably would garner me more clicks, but it'd be disingenuous at this point. So I just bought in to Litecoin here around this 825 marker within the last few days. Picked up about 825. I'm not really sure where on the chart we would be standing, but I'm looking at once we break past some of these little points of resistance for Ethereum, that we will see a larger surge in the price. Let me see if I can safely go inside of one of these apps, man. If you guys are not familiar with the level 2s and what have you, these numbers here are very critical to price action. So I don't want to go too far in depth into it. If you guys are familiar with it, just go ahead and fast forward past this part. Go ahead and like and subscribe on your way out the door. I appreciate you stopping by. But for the people who are new to cryptocurrency, what you will notice is you have a green side and you have a red side. The green side, it may seem self-explanatory, but the green side is buy and the red side is sell. So what's happening here is there's transferring of orders. So if you look on your left-hand side of your screen, you'll see someone placed an order for 92301. So if somebody buys that order, then that's what that's going to move their price to. Okay, let's see if we can watch it do that. We see the 92331 come up. Someone bought that. So let's see if we see one of those lower. Okay, you can see one of the lower numbers now up there. You see that? Okay, that's how that works. And so when you're entering a trade, it's important to note the spread between these two numbers. If there's a large spread between these two numbers, when you get ready to exit your position, you're already going to be defaulted a large size loss just based on the spread between those two numbers. An ideal situation would be where the numbers are just one digit apart from each other. That would be an ideal scenario where you could just jump out of a trade. Excellent. Okay. Well, look, if you guys would like for me to answer any questions or anything like that, just like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I appreciate you all. Have a blessed day. Peace.